So hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Mimo version 2.5 Pro in your VS Code with completely free. So let me just show you first. So here you can see I'm using Mimo version 2.5 Pro, and let's say hello, and let's say is it working or not. So as you can see, it start thinking, and now it actually done. Okay, so yeah, you can use it, and here you can see some tokens limit as well, but ignore that. Okay, you can just this is I'm using Cline for that. Okay, so you can use it, and here you can see this is $0.00, so you can use it. Now then, let me just show you how you can use it. For that, what you have to do is simply go to this website. Okay, I have already provided the link in the description, so no need to worry. When you click on the link, there is a sign in, and you have to just sign in. Okay, that's all you have to do. And here comes the main page. Now, what you have to do is just simply click on create new key. Okay, when you create new key, you have to just simply come to your client and click on this setting. Okay, here in your API provider, just select API compatible. Okay, OpenAI compatible. Then in your base URL, what you have to paste is simply go to here, and here you can see there are some text written, so you have to just copy from here to v1 till v1. Okay, and just copy it and paste it here. Okay, as you can see, I have pasted here. Now then, about the API key, so just move to here, create new key, copy it and paste it here. Okay, that's all. Now after that, here comes the model ID. For model ID, just come here and copy this text that comes model. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Then after that, just click on done. When you click on done, you can see here comes the OpenAI compact Mimo version 2.5 Pro, and it can not only plan but act as well. So if you want the planning, just select plan and start your planning. If you want to just do the act part, so just select on act and start the act part. That's all about, guys, and I hope you will love this video. And if you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone who are just curious about these tools, and make sure to follow us as well. And by the way, guys, I am already working on app that is about Replo. Soon I will introduce you that app, and make sure to follow me or subscribe me. And um wait, I will show you some more interesting things in the upcoming videos. Okay, and also if you want to hire me as a freelancer, you can just go to InnoSpark Media, and as a just contact with me. Okay, so I will provide all the links and everything in the description, so no need to worry, guys, and make sure to support me. Okay, so that's all about today's video, guys. See you in the next video. Happy coding.